Thank you for Angelina in the studio. And now come back with me, Dewi Intan at VOA Indonesia Live Report. And now I am reporting live from North Luwu district, which got affected by flash flood and landslide. Viewers, Nurdin Abdullah, South Sulawesi Governor, and Basuki Hadimulyono, Public Works and Housing Minister, observed several areas in North Luwu district which were affected by flash flood and landslide. Viewers, also torrential rains poured in these areas earlier this week. Viewers, South Sulawesi Regional Leadership Communication Forum, or Forkopimda, had also provided humanitarian aid packages to the North Luwu district government, and Governor Abdullah witnessed that pleasant action. Viewers, sadly, the number of victims from this horrible disaster was quite a lot. There were 24 people passed away from this natural disaster, and there were 69 other residents went missing as of Thursday morning. Viewers, this information was launched by Luwu Utara Disaster Mitigation Agency. And viewers, we are now going to interview one of the residents who is safe from this disaster. Hello, Mbak. Good morning.
Good morning, Mbak.
Okay, now we are going to take your time to be interviewed and ask by some questions from VOA Indonesia Live Report. And what is your name?
Baiklah, my name is Oktarima Anggraini.
And for the second one, would you mind telling us how the disaster happened and where were you at that time?
Ya. Kita sering mengalami kebanjiran ya Mbak ya di lokasi ini. Tahun ini sangat berbeda sekali banjirnya Mbak. Itu banjirnya mengenang bisa sampai sepinggul orang dewasa dan anak kecil juga bisa tenggelam. Jika mereka tidak benar-benar bisa berenang gitu ya Mbak ya. Banjir juga mengakibatkan sekitar 50 rumah terendam. Ya, ada juga sekitar beberapa kendaraan pribadi yang terendam juga Mbak.
Okay, and how is the condition and situation in the places that were provided by the government?
Banjir saat ini juga ada sedikit bantuan ya Mbak ya dari pemerintah, juga ada tempat pengungsian begitu. Juga dari bantuan dari luar seperti obat-obatan, makanan, pakaian juga. Kita bersyukur juga pemerintah juga sangat cepat menangani banjir yang saat ini terjadi di sini Mbak.
Okay, and what is your planning ahead knowing that this disaster happened in your life? Would you move your house, things, others?
Ya. Dan kita di sini juga dari warga setempat juga membantu bergotong royong ya Mbak ya, sesama membersihkan dari alat-alat elektronik yang terendam banjir, juga di belakang rumah juga semuanya kita saling membantu begitu.
Okay, thank you for your time to be interviewed, Mbak Rima. And viewers, meanwhile, Indah Putri Indriani, North Luwu district had stated that heavy rainfall triggered landslide in over 20 areas around the slope of Mount Ruleru heading to Rada River. Viewers, North Luwu Disaster Mitigation Agency also informed that the torrential rains led to the forced displacement of 655 people from 156 households. Viewers, fortunately, the local authorities have evacuated flood victims to safer places. And for your information, viewers, the flooding also severed land transportation in the wake of several roads being swamped by flood waters. Viewers, that is the live report from North Luwu district. I am Dewi Intan, and now we are going to come back to studio with Angelina. Thank you.